Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Indian Navy has issued a request for information to procure 4 landing platform docks. We have detailed video on landing platform docks and link for the same can be found in description section. The RFI issued by Indian Navy included 2 heavy lift aircraft with a maximum weight of 40 tons to be operated from landing dock platforms. Now, some point in time, Indian Navy is going to own these landing dock platform and Indian Navy needs at least 8 heavy lift helicopters to be used from these landing dock platforms. So, Navy will not only build these LPDs but also going to need 8 heavy lift helicopters to operate from these LPDs. This requirement of Indian Navy has fueled the speculation about Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft. Many of you will think why we think of V-22 Osprey for Navy heavy lift helicopter requirement. Reason is, in 2013, Indian Navy has shown preliminary interest in V-22 Osprey. Boeing has already pitched for its V-22 Osprey back in 2013, and back then the technical briefing was also given to Indian Coastal Guard and Navy. In 2013, Indian Navy has shown preliminary interest in Osprey as a potential carrier-borne, airborne early warning and control platform. Actually, the Osprey is available in 3 configurations, namely search and rescue, medium range assault or long range special operations. Indian Air Force is also interested in V-22 Osprey variant for combat search and rescue role and operation for its special forces. However, as per Boeing, they are expecting the order from Indian Navy on and around 2025. In our opinion, Indian Navy should go for V-22 Osprey as we have a solid backup for our reasons. In order to understand its importance, we should look into the capabilities of V-22 Osprey. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is an American multi-mission tilt-rotor military aircraft with both vertical takeoff landing and short takeoff landing capabilities. It is designed to combine the functionality of a conventional helicopter with a long-range, high-speed cruise performance of a turboprop aircraft. The Osprey is the world's first production tilt-rotor aircraft with one 3-bladed prop rotor, turboprop engine and transmission nacelle mounted on each wing tips. It can basically land and take off like a helicopter and fly like a plane. This feature of this aircraft make it different from other military heavy lift helicopters. It is classified as power lift aircraft by Federal Aviation Administration. The Osprey can carry 24 troops or 9,072 kg of load can be landed or be delivered by parachute. In addition, the Osprey has an external hook and winch system that allows it to carry 6,803 kg of cargo in tow. V-22 Osprey has a maximum speed of 509 km, range of 1628 km, combat range of 720 km, ferry range of 4130 km and a service ceiling of 20,000 feet. Single unit of V-22 Osprey cost around 600 crores and India can certainly afford it in small numbers. Now, talking about its airframe, the composite materials makes up to 43% of its airframe and the prop rotor blades also uses composites. For the storage, the V-20 rotors can be folded in 90 seconds and its wings rotates to align front and back with the fuselage. However, there is one drawback of this aircraft. The exhaust heat from the V-22 engines can potentially damage ship, flight decks and coatings. Talking about the propulsion system, it has 2 Rolls-Royce AE1107C engines that are connected by drive shaft to a common central gearbox so that one engine can power both prop rotors. Each Rolls-Royce AE1107C engines can generate a thrust of 6,150 shp. In case of engine failure, either engine can power both the prop rotors through a common gearbox powering wing drive shaft. However, this arrangement has one drawback. The V-22 can work on single engine but have to take emergency landing in case of gearbox failure. The V-22 can be armed with one 7.62 by 51 mm NATO M240 machine gun or 0.50 inch caliber M2 machine guns on rear loading ramp. Talking about the cockpit, the Osprey has 3 main crew, a pilot, a co-pilot and a flight engineer. The cockpit has a multifunctional display similar to the glass cockpit of a space shuttle. The display provides information about the engines including oil pressure, temperature. It also provides reading of hydraulic pressure and fuel state. Talking about the avionics, it has AN ARC-182 VHF UHF radio with KY58 VHF UHF encryption and AN DVT HF encryption. It also has AN AAR-47 missile approach warning system with APQ-168 multifunctional radar. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.